first time acting in front of a live studio audience. So remember, pause for laughs. This is Everyone Still Loves Raymond.
I will, I promise. It's 2025, I know how to act for a sitcom.
The audience won't know what to think until they hear what to think.
Guys, we got a big problem, all right? This is an emergency. It turns out we have no live studio audience. It turns out Waze, yeah, it just took them to the wrong studio in Culver City.
What?
Yeah, all of them.
Culver City? We'll never see them again! We need that laughter, we need the ahs, we need the sighs, and we need them live! I refuse to do anything in post! What are we gonna do?
I can help! 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 I can help!
Who the fuck are you?
I'm Garrett. And I love sound effects.
Why?
Well, it's just so cool to record a bunch of sounds all around town and then play them at will, willy-nilly, just because I want to. It's amazing.
So do you like work here in town or something?
Oh, no. I'm the kebab guy at Daegu Chicken. But this Yamaha is my real passion. It's full of found sound.
Okay, all right, director. Hey, we have to do it. I mean, if we don't have laughs, what are we? HBO's Barry?
A broad comedian's worst nightmare, dramedy. Kid, you're hired. All right, everyone get in position. And action.
Oh, nuts. I baked my keys into the pie.
You want to take more room? Don't get it.
What was that?
What was that? That was shock. That was shock. He's a big dumb idiot. He's a fucking idiot.
All right, that won't work. Stop cussing.
Stay right there, Design Producer. You have one more take or I'm pulling funding from Everyone Who Still Loves Raymond. Okay? Okay.
You all heard the evil producer? Actors, you have to keep acting no matter what. Okay? And action.
Oh no, we gotta get those keys out of that pie before my dad Raymond eats them.
I need that captain taken out. Snap!
That's not even an audience sound.
Oh, I know. It's the sound of the pie.
Look, I gotta make a good first impression, okay? Do you think he'll notice anything's off?
Nah, my dad Raymond is too busy watching TV sports.
I'm going to show you how to do a cannonball.
But my mom, Deborah, can sniff out anything like a drug dog.
First things first, I'ma say all the words.
I know. Ooh, this'll fix this. Scotch tape.
She's got in my eyes.
Okay, good as new, right? Okay, just do not mention anything to your fussy grandparents, Marie and Frank. Right?
Mr. Jimmy Stewart?
Definitely not, otherwise they'll lock you in my uncle's room. Although my Uncle Robert could use the company.
All right, give me this.
Why?
I gotta let you ruin this. All right, where's the laugh button? Actors, keep going.
The boring button?
Yeah. Okay, go.
Okay, all right. It's time to go meet your dad, Raymond Barone. I hope he likes my gift.
And I hope he likes that we went to Vegas and eloped.
You guys say I'm a human being. God damn it! My life has value. I'm as mad as hell.
TV, okay? Take this! Fuck it! We'll do it live!
We'll do it live.
What? How did you do that? You know what, Garrett? That's out of it. Get out of here! No!
Wait! Director, stop!
Huh, you want me back?
Never. Listen, while this person was making Everybody Loves Raymond look like a joke, a live studio audience snuck in around the back. We're saved.
Huzzah! We can start the show!
Say a word. Just laugh.